ngatho mwiroreri mwende wa ceceni ya Kameme TV gakunyita ugeni ringi thiini wa gikunjo gia keri kia mutamburuko witu wa mohoro. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni arutite mukana murumu kuri mundu kana gikundi o giothe kiri na itanya ria guthararia thayo hindi ya githurano kia muthenya wa rucio. Hari ndumiriri yake kuri bururi, mutongoria wa bururi ni ugete ona gutuika ni kihoto kia o mundu guikia kura kana kugomera githurano uria ugakiruka watho ni akoerwo ikinya ria kiwatho, akiuga maabitha ogitiri ni agakorwo ruci ni merutire gutigirira thayo ni waruma iturini ciothe cia bururi. Oho ni augire thirikari ni kugitira indo cia Akenya kumana na guthukangio na muthia aikia ritana kuri Akenya makaumira kwa wingi guthura mutongoria wao.
And I tell all our international partners that we will get through this together as Kenyans. I will assure you that my government will defend your property, your right to do business, your right to travel anywhere in our great republic. You can go about your work in the knowledge that our nation is working for each and every one of us. And when all of this is over, we will work together to make up for lost time. Equally, we must and we will ensure that the benefits of our nation's progress are felt by every Kenyan, and that our nation's journey to becoming a modern 21st century country gives every Kenyan the opportunity of pride and prosperity. Every time, every single time that our nation has been presented with a challenge, we, as a people, have risen above the little things that divide us to boldly and with unity shape our destiny. This is how we have been rewarded with our home, Kenya. This is how we emerged stronger after the dark events of 2007 and 8. And this is how we have held together as a beacon of hope in an often troubled region.
Gikundi kiria kiukaine ta Kenyan Professionals gitongoretio ni Ababu na Mwamba na uria wari speaker wa Senate Ekwethuro ni kiugete ngwataniro ya IGAD udumwe na ngwataniro ya urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Africa AU ni magutigirira gutiri mundu ugathararia githurano kiria a Kenya metereire muthenya wa rucio. Atongoria aya marari bũrũri-inĩ wa Ethiopia kuria marathitangire ngwataniro ya NASA kuri IGAD na AU ni undu wa mikana yao iria mathiete na mbere na kuruta ya kuhotomia githurano kia muthenya wa rucio. Kuringana na atongoria ya ngwataniro ici ciere ni ciugete ni ciguthie na mbere na kunyitanira na bũrũri wa Kenya hari gutigirira githurano gitina hotomio.
We were given a guarantee by Mr. Yifran that IGAD will maintain their observer mission in Kenya for purposes of the election scheduled tomorrow. IGAD also did give us an assurance that they have a keen eye on this country and they will be using all mechanisms within or at their disposal for purposes of being a partner moving forward. Stand on the cusp of history to send a very clear message that the greed, the dreams, the aspirations of one person or group of persons cannot be greater than our inalienable right to vote and to determine our destiny. let us come out in large numbers tomorrow to shame the devil.
Good governance is one of the major planks of a democracy. And Kenya, being a leading democracy in our region, must ensure that to attain that good governance, elections must take place. There are no other ways in which you can achieve leadership in a democratic state than through elections.
As the Council of Kenyan Professionals, we went to Addis Ababa, and while there we had a meeting with the IGAD and the African Union, and the purpose of us professionals going there was to urge our people, our friends, to tell them about the real situation in Kenya. And we have called for our friends, our African friends and partners, to look into the Kenyan situation, and we have presented the whole story that we have had a Supreme Court ruling, and we have had a decision that says we have to have elections in 60 days, and that the opposition has not been cooperating, and they have been calling for no elections, and they have gone ahead to try and interfere with the rights of those who wish to do an election, those who wish to participate. So we have been there basically to push for the position that the right or self-determination, the right to vote, haki ya kupiga kura iko, na Kenyans should not be interfered with.
Mutongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya NASA Raila Odinga na Arunawe Musalia Mudavadi na Moses Wetangula ni maugete thutha wao kweheria gĩthurano-inĩ gĩa gũcokerwo, ni maugete ngwatanĩro yo rĩu nĩ gĩkundi kĩregani kĩrĩa koragwo gĩkĩhũrana na mĩrutĩre wĩra ya thirikari National Resistance Movement. Oho ni matangathĩte na kũria arũmĩrĩri ao matikana kinyie ceceni-inĩ cia wĩkia wa kura, no makanyitanĩra harĩ gũtabania mahoya icigo-inĩ ciao.
Thutha wa gĩthagathago kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo kuo gĩa kĩũteti igũrũ rĩgiĩ gĩthurano gĩa gũcokerwo gwa president, ngwatanĩro ya NASA ĩrĩa yeheretie gĩthurano kĩu rĩu nĩ yugĩte atĩ rĩu megũkorwo marĩ gĩkundi gĩa kũregana na thirikari kĩrĩa maugire kĩrĩtagwo National Resistance Movement.
Ambayo inaitwa NASA, National Surveillance. Tuanzia kesho tutabadilisha sasa. Sasa itakuwa ni muungano ya ukombozi.
Murugamo ũyũ ũtangathirwo nĩ atongoria a ngwatanĩro ĩno Raila Odinga, Moses Wetangula na Musalia Mudavadi, kũrĩa moririe arũmĩrĩri ao matikanyite itemi o rĩothe gĩthurano-inĩ kana gũkinya ceceni cia wĩkia wa kura, no makanyitanĩra mahoya icigo-inĩ ciao nĩ amu matigakorwo makĩnyita itemi gĩthurano-inĩ kĩu.
The path Uhuru and Ruto are taking is a beaten one. It is the same path that Yahya Jammeh tried in Gambia, what Blaise Compaoré tried in Burkina Faso, and what Laurent Gbagbo tried in Ivory Coast before their careers ended abruptly and in utter shame.
Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno yonekete gũthiĩ mũgarũ na mũrũgamo wa hau kabere kũrĩa maraugĩte nĩ magathararia gĩthurano icigo iria itanyitaga ngwatanĩro ĩno mbaru na njĩra nene, ũhoro ũyũ ũkĩnyita thing'a harĩ kũharaganio kwa mĩcemanio ya mathomo ma maabitha IBC arĩa makarũgamĩrĩra gĩthurano kĩa rũciũ. Rĩu ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ yugĩte harĩ na maũndũ matano marĩa megũkorwo makĩhũrana namo kwambĩrĩria mũthenya wa gatano.
They assembled and mounted another attempt to stay in power by means that are clearly undemocratic and unconstitutional. Like in August, Jubilee will tomorrow attempt to stay in power by force through a sham election. The August elections and the one scheduled for tomorrow are part of the emerging trend of electoral autocracy gaining ground in Africa.
Rĩu maitho mothe marorerio kũrĩ macũngĩrĩrio ma ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ amu ũmwe wa aruna a ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩwe mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, ndakoretwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gwa kahinda na kũronekana atagwakinya mũthia wayo. Harĩ-inĩ ha Kameme TV nĩakoretwo nĩ Ngatho Wanyũtũ.
Na gikundi kia thikabu wa kanitha wa Gathoreki gitongoretio ni muikariri giti wao Bishop Philip Anyolo nikioretie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta hamwe na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga kuhimbiria miario ya hamwe niguo gutigirira bururi wina urumwe na thayo. Nakio gikundi kia Evangelist Alliance of Kenya kiria gitongoragio ni Bishop Makarioki nikiugite kanitha wicemba na mahoya niguo gutigirira bururi ndunagumirwo ni githagathago o giothe hindi na thutha wa githurano.
Very, very important that all of us put our differences down and we think of one another and we think of the progress of this nation. So we as the clergy from the Evangelical Alliance of Kenya are concerned with the state of our nation today. We recognize the need and importance of national cohesion, dialogue, and the place of individual human rights as is spelled in our Constitution.
If you are persuaded to vote tomorrow, so do humbly without interfering with the rights of others. Likewise, if you are persuaded not to vote, we ask you to exercise the right in the manner that you will not interfere with the rights of those that are persuaded to vote.
We therefore ask our two leaders to urge their supporters to remain peaceful before, during, and after, regardless of the outcome. For any aggrieved party, we urge them to seek legal and peaceful means to address their underlying issues. Maintaining hardened positions and not appealing to their supporters towards a peaceful exercise will only lead to a deep ethnic divisions, violence, police using excessive force, further social and economic downturn, and a breakdown of law and order.
We still believe that it is not too late for the two leaders to appeal to the country and their supporters, either jointly or individually, to salvage the beloved country Kenya from the political standoff and ensure the nation that those who wish to vote should be allowed to vote peacefully, and those who do not wish to vote should peacefully stay away from the voting exercise.
Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri, hau niho tũgũkorwo tũgĩtirihĩra mũtamburũko witũ wa mohoro, no nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ wa studio kũnyitanĩra na Njoroge wa Kimani hamwe na ageni aitũ waini wa ũmũthĩ thĩinĩ wa ndereti itũ. Ngakwendithĩria wĩroreri mwega na mũthenya wa rũciũ ngũririkanie nĩ kumĩra kũrĩ hĩndĩ ya itherũ na kahĩndĩ merũka. Wangũ nĩ Wangũ. Twambe tũthũmũre, nĩ tũgũcokereria ihinda rĩtarĩ cogo.